Tardigrades they're up to about 1 millimeter long. They're better known as water bears, if anyone's heard of that. They're really well known for their ability to survive extreme conditions. They've been sent into space famously and survived within 0.3 of a degree of absolute zero. They're related to, say, roundworms and insects most closely.
So standard protocol for collecting tardigrades, essentially you just take about a square inch of moss or lichen from a tree or from a rock. You take that and you put it in a brown paper bag and you just let it dehydrate so all the water gets out. Then you put that in a beaker of water and you let it rehydrate overnight usually, and then all the tardigrades get their water back in them and then they start becoming active. And so then you take just a pipette and you get 1 milliliter of water from the bottom where all the tardigrades are, and then you put them in this little black dish that lets you see them under a low power microscope.
So we collected 29 moss and lichen samples. From those we pulled 558 tardigrades, including I think 80 eggs. We identified all of those to species and ended up finding 7 different species. All of those are new records for the state of Iowa, and in fact 2 of the species haven't been described at all. One of them is actually under description by a professor at another school, and then one of them we think is completely new. Of course, that's still yet to be determined, but that's what we're working on now.
My name's Ben Cortez.
I'm Laura Tibbs, and I'm called to greatness.